let's take this person to ambulance. Yeah. Ding 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 ding. Put it inside. He's very sick. Now let's go to hospital. Doctor, when we arrive in hospital. Yes, when we are going to arrive, I'm worried.
Sometime later, I think 15 minutes, we will go to the hospital.
That's good. But Doctor, look at the leg of this. Why one leg is so small? Yes, that leg is very strange.
The wood chip fell on the leg, and the leg was split in half.
Oh my god, the leg is cut. Help! We have to fix that leg. Where is the other part of leg?
The other part of the leg is at your house. Where was the leg?
We found it under a tree near the accident place.
So, what was the accident place?
That place, his leg was cut for that tree falling down on his leg. Now we take him to operation room and we transplant the foot so he can survive and have 2 legs again. Good job, we are happy, do it soon.
Good job, we
Okay,
are
nurse,
happy.
let's go, doctor.
We are happy. The character will be on the next episode. We are happy. Character will be on the next episode.